will begin in the nation's capital, where the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Abdulrasheed Bawa, may not be spending time at the custodial center after being remanded by an FCT High Court judge for contempt. Now, this is because Mr. Bawa told journalists an appeal has been filed to set aside the order of the court, even though legal professionals have asked the EFCC chairman to commit himself to the court order. Stephen Essen reports.
The EFCC is grappling with shock after an FCT High Court remanded its chairman in prison for contempt. The judge, Chizoba Oji, convicted Mr. Abdulrasheed Bawa and ordered the Inspector General of Police to put him in Kuje prison in Abuja for disobeying an earlier order of the court. The EFCC and Mr. Bawa's offences border on failure to comply with the November 21st, 2018 court order directing them to return a Range Rover and a sum of 40 million naira to the applicant in a suit. In a statement, the EFCC spokesman insisted that the chairman had released the Range Rover in question to the applicant on June 27, 2022 and had approved the process of releasing the remaining 40 million naira. Nonetheless, the order of the FCT High Court is yet to be obeyed, as the Anti-Corruption Agency has initiated a process to set aside the entire contempt proceedings and committal of its chairman for contempt.
Even EFCC themselves, their slogan is, nobody is above the law. Being not above the law, he has to face the law.
From the case of the former National Security Advisor Sambo Dasuki to that involving Nnamdi Kanu, research has shown that the government and its agencies have violated several court orders.
But every Nigerian, every institution, every authority is expected to obey an order of court. But you see, like I said before, there's an exception. If you have appealed against that order, you file the motion for stay, the court will first of all hear those applications.
A federal high court in Abuja ordered the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, to appear before it on January 18, 2023 to explain his refusal to obey valid order for payment of a $70 million debt. Disobedience to court orders have far-reaching consequences on the rule of law, and experts are concerned.
Fundamental right of approaching court at every level is guaranteed in the Constitution, so that we avoid jungle justice. As much as possible, we should put our matter before the court.
In the extant case, what is yet to be seen is how the EFCC will succeed in setting aside the entire contempt proceedings and committal of its chairman for contempt. Sifon Essien, TVC News, Abuja.